In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. Unfortunately, since Shopify doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will see this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you will see this massive list of widgets open up right in front of you. So look for the reviews section here, and if you take a look down, you can see all the different reviews that are supported by this platform. So you have Yelp here, you have TripAdvisor, Amazon, Google, Facebook, Etsy, eBay, and so on. If the platform that you want to pull in reviews from isn't on this list, go to see all widgets and search for review right here, and then you're going to see every single review that the platform supports. So for example, hotels wasn't on that list, but it is here. In my example for this video, I'm going to go for Google reviews right here, but regardless of which one you choose, the process that I'm about to show you will be exactly the same. So once you have found the relevant reviews platform for the platform that you want to pull in reviews from, click on it, and then you'll be taken to the relevant widgets page. From here, I want you to go down a bit, and you will see this create widget for free button. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the template section. Now on the left hand side here, you will see all the different review templates. As you can see, carousel widget, badge, grid with AI summary, simple carousel, and so on. On the right hand side here, you also get a little preview of what each of these templates is going to look like on your Shopify store. And by the way, if you click here in the top right corner, you'll see a mobile view of each of the templates as well, just in case that's relevant for you as well. Now, bear in mind that what you see here isn't final, because you can customize each template to your liking. I'm going to do that in the next section. So once you have selected the template that you want to go with, click on continue with this template button right here in the bottom left corner of the screen. And then this is now where we need to connect the widget or for the reviews with the relevant platform so that it knows where to pull the reviews from. So in my case, I am doing Google reviews. So this is the guidance that it's giving me here, but in your case, it might be slightly different. In most cases, you have to type in something here like business name, or you're gonna have to add a URL of a product or a listing or something along those lines. Now in my case here, I'm gonna copy the address they've given here because this is just a tutorial, but whatever the case might be, just go ahead and follow the instructions that you see right here and paste them up here and then search in this case. And in my case, it has pulled up right here, just like this, and then it will load up. And as you can see, that took less than a second in my case, but that's because it's preloaded. Now, in your case, it might take up to a couple of minutes, so make sure that you don't do anything else until this has updated fully and it has pulled in the reviews. Now, if it gives you an error on the left-hand side here, that means that you've done something wrong and you need to check the URL that it's basically working or that it's supported by the requirements that are set here. But once it all works out for you, what you want to do now is customize the template to your liking. So for example here, as you can see, I have filters and sorting. This allows us to kind of sort the reviews in the way that we want to have them displayed. So if you go to sorting here, I can just do random reviews instead of the most recent ones. Now, I'm going to click back. You also have filters here, so you can filter out the reviews that you want. Rating at least 5 stars. You can also do 2 stars if you want there to be a bit more variety in the reviews that you're getting. On the left hand side here, you also have layout, so carousel, grid, list, masonry, and so on. Header, review, style, settings. As you can see, there's loads of different things that you can customize here that to do with your template. And by the way, any change that you make on the left hand side will automatically reflect on the right hand side as well, so you can easily see what changes you're making in real time. So for example, if I remove the heading here, so you can see Google reviews, the heading just kind of disappears. Now, once you're ready with your template and you want to move forward, go add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then your widget will be saved up and it will almost be ready to go. Now, the last thing that we need to do is go ahead and publish the widget. To do that, go to the top right corner of the screen right here, and you will see a publish button in green. In my case, it's grayed out because it's already published, but in your case, it wouldn't be. So it will be somewhere here. Click on publish, and once you've done that, you'll be taken to the plans page. Now, this is where we need to choose a plan. Since this is the first widget that we're using from Elfsight, we can actually go for the free plan right here because, as you can see, it supports one widget. However, if you want to unlock more functionalities or if you want to use more than one widget for your Shopify store, then you can always go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different ones that you can go for. But once you've selected a plan, you'll be taken to the page where you can now copy the code of your reviews widget. It will look just like this. From here, all you need to do is click on copy code right here and then head over to your Shopify editor so you can now integrate the reviews to your website. Now, as you can see here, I'm in the editor already. So I'm going to click on sections right here. And then I want my reviews to be on the home page. And then I want them to be part of like the main body of the page. Not in the header, not in the footer, but kind of like in the middle. So where it says template, click on add section here. And then look for custom liquid. It will be near the bottom right here. So click on that. And then as you can see, your section was added here. You can always move it around if you want to. In my case, I'm going to keep it at the bottom. So all I have to do is double click, and then you will see this liquid code box up here. All you have to do now is paste the code into this box, wait a couple of seconds for it to update, and you should be able to see your Google reviews pull in a couple of seconds. You can see here they are, and they just look great. And this is fully interactable, by the way, here. As you can see, you can click on the button to leave a review, or you can also click around here like this to access the other reviews. And don't worry about this here. This panel is only visible to you just in case you want to make any changes to the review. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add reviews to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.